So we like, how long did that take to get out of there?
2 hours.
2 hours?
Yeah.
To get in from the last time we was recording?
Yeah.
Dang, y'all, we got lost in the mountains. It's all good though. My wife is a soldier. She got through it.
Alright, so I thought that it was gonna take me here. Look, you see the sign that say Ocherius de Mira? That's where I thought it was gonna take me.
But it didn't.
It didn't. It take me to a different side.
Watch out.
No, I have the right of way though.
You gonna stop her?
I go right, so them a blow me because I had the right of way and him just come out on me. See everybody a blow me now?
Yeah.
Because they know.
But he wasn't stopping.
But he wasn't stopping, he was just going. See, they getting upset now.
So?
Yeah. He wasn't stopping, he went right through.
I'd rather have them blowing at me than smashing into that white car.
Right. So I thought it was taking me to the road that say Ocherius. That's why I was like, there's another way. But apparently there's 3 ways now. Yeah. But that's the longest way. Longest you lost.
Right.
You get lost. There's no signs.
Right.
The GPS keep rerouting.
Imagine if you had to go through there at night. And
You'd be so frustrated.
Yeah.
Like the time when we had lost, maybe I up this our last too.
Maybe.
I couldn't up there, Clarendon, Manchester side, we were there, opposite side.
So yeah, we finally made it over to this side. We got lost in the mountains, y'all. The mirror told us to go this way. She said it was the fast way.
Listen, I said go to the route that we know, which is the junction. But no, my sister wanted a scene, and she wanted to,
I was trying
to go in the
get
mountain.
Away. I was trying to get away.
Look, them mountains up there.
I was trying to get away from all the
in the mountains, like lost
in the wilderness.
We're gonna see a beach
for 40 days and 40 nights.
40 days and 40 nights. Look at the beach over here.
When you go to the junction, you see a lot of rivers. Because you're driving, you see the river.
This is a stark difference from what we was just in.
Yeah.
I was like, yeah, I'm gonna save my battery. If y'all would have saw what we went through, you know, I thought I was gonna have to build me a little house out there.
Right.
You know.
I'm exhausted. Car sick.
We almost there now. We ain't got but 10 more minutes. And we here. 10 more minutes and we here, y'all.
You know, we're driving through a town.
On your left is a police station.
Tour
Isn't
guide.
it? Yes,
Yeah.
and that's a big police station. You turn to the left to show them how a police station looks.
Yeah.
Mark will
That you guys call precinct.
I'll be like to the left and Mark will look camera straight, same way.
This is a court. Oh no, it's a church.
You're giving tour like you've been here.
I've never been here. I've been here when I was 4.
So this is our town.
Portland.
This is what, Portland?
Yeah, we're in Portland.
No, this is Port Antonio.
Which is Portland.
Okay.
We got
Portland is the parish. The city is Port Antonio.
Okay.
It's just a part in Portland.
You know, everybody in Jamaica be wearing all the little fresh gear. Y'all know that?
It's knockoff.
We're hot girls and hot guys.
It's all knockoffs.
Y'all know what? That don't even matter.
Yeah.
You know why?
Knock off what?
Knock off clothes.
Knock off Gucci, knock off.
I remember one time, didn't I tell you a story about some Jordans I bought from the flea market? Look, this when I was in my early 20s, I didn't even know they was knocked off. Like, dang, these Jordans only like $75, $80. Man, it was the real identical thing. I had bought them. I had worn for like 10 years.
10 years?
Yes.
Okay.
Cause they was fresh. Cause you know I don't wear tennis shoes every blue moon. Usually when I used to go to work, I always had uniform, so I never really wore, you know, clothes like that. And them shoes lasted me for like 10 years. And I remember I was talking to one of my other buddies. I was like, yeah, I got these from out the Baltimore flea market. And he was like, man, you know they fake. But this was like 5-6 years later. I was like, man, I don't even care. Nobody knew. Who gonna go in there and grab your shoe and take them off your feet? Be like, man, let me see the tongue.
Was Jordan splitting?
You overpaid those.
Was Jordan
for $80?
No, it was the real, everything about the shoe, when you looked at it from the outside, was real. But, you know, I got it from the Baltimore flea market. I was like, man, honestly, if I could go back out there and see them again, I would rebound. Because they don't even sell those Jordans in the store anymore. They hard to buy. The version that I have.
The favorite.
If you even go to Jordan website, they don't even sell them no more, the mirror.
Oh yeah?
Nah, they cost like thousands of dollars. So I was like, man, I was sweet. So that's why I was saying,
There's no sound.
if you wear some knockoffs, it don't even matter.
I know.
Because imagine how many times I've been out.
Was it comfortable?
Yeah, they were comfortable.
Guys.
So, yeah. You know they rappers and athletes, they wear fake jewelry too. Yeah. Everybody wear fake stuff. It don't even make sense to be going out there trying to, only poor people do that.
Yeah.
Trying to buy the real thing. You crazy? Man, you could just stop it.
You missed the good views.
This the what, Caribbean Sea?
It's just the beach. We just call it the beach.
Mommy, what's that?
Yeah, just the Caribbean Sea.
Satellite?
No, right
Satellite?
So
I don't know.
we ain't got but 10 more minutes left on our
Satellite tower.
4-hour journey, y'all. So
Satellite tower.
it only supposed to been like an hour and 30 minutes. We're turning it to 4 hours.
Satellite.
So we'll get back to you with you once we get there.